Using the Commercial Property Assessment web tool. From the Assessor's webpage, you will see 4 columns. In the first column, Assess Online, choose Assess Commercial Property. In order to access this site, you must know your PPAN number and the access code for your business. The login page will allow you to request your PPAN and access code. If this is your first time using the site, select New User. Enter only the first few letters of your business name. Using your business mailing address, enter the street number and choose street number. If your business uses a P.O. box, enter the P.O. box number and choose P.O. box. Select Benton for county and select I need my PPAN. Click Search. In order to get your access code, fill in the same information and select I need my access code and click Search. Click on your business, search again, and an email will be sent to the address we have on file. If you do not receive the email, please contact our office at 479-271-1087. If you're an existing user or have your PPAN and access code, click on Existing User. Enter your PPAN and your access code. Select Benton for county and click on Login. Before we begin, note that your assessment does not need to be completed in one sitting. For example, you can work on your FF&E, click Save to save the changes, and move to a new tab or log out of the web tool. You can then log back in to edit those changes or add additional information. Once you're sure that all your information on the FF&E tab is correct, you must click Finalize FF&E. The Finalize button submits information from that tab to our office. You must finalize each tab separately. Once you finalize, you can no longer make changes via the web tool. Any further changes must be done by the assessor's office. If your existing information is not correct, you may check the delete box and enter an explanation in the notes box. Make sure to save before going to a new tab or exiting the site. You will see that there are 4 tabs available. The first is Furniture, Fixtures, and Equipment. The second is Automobiles. The third is Manufacturer's Inventory Report. And the fourth is to add additional property, including inventory, livestock, and airplanes, if applicable. Under Furniture, Fixtures, and Equipment, you see that there are 16 items currently listed. It shows the purchase year, the item, and the purchase price. You may delete items no longer available. Make sure you save before going on to a new tab. For additional items, use the New tab. Be sure to record the year the item was purchased in the year column. You may manually enter your information if you do not want to use a spreadsheet. Enter the year, the item description, the purchase price, any notes you'd like to add, and a department if applicable. Repeat for additional items. Then you can use the Finalize FF&E to finalize your work. Make sure not to enter duplicates to prevent double taxation. Click on Import New FF&E using Excel. Download FF&E Excel template. Once this is downloaded, you can save this on your computer in a location of your choice. You can open this. Note the column headings: year, item, price, notes, and department. All spreadsheet information must be entered in this format with these headings. All macros and formulas must be deleted. If you have macros and formulas entered in your spreadsheet, before copying and pasting the information into the FF&E Excel template that we've provided, you'll need to save your spreadsheet as a CSV to prevent those formulas and macros from being saved, or you'll get an error when you upload the spreadsheet to our site. Once your spreadsheet is saved as a CSV, you can copy and paste the column of information into Excel template. Be sure to use the field column names that we've provided. Save your spreadsheet as an XLXS, or if you're using OpenOffice, save as an XLS. If you're using an older version of Microsoft Office, versions before 2007, you may need to install the compatibility pack. You'll be able to access the compatibility pack by clicking on this screen. You'll be redirected to Microsoft's website where you will be able to download the compatibility pack. Now you can browse for your new inventory list and upload it. For automobiles, click on the Automobile tab. If all of the information is correct, click on the Finalize Automobiles tab to submit the information to our office. If automobile information is not correct, please contact our office via email or in person to add or delete automobiles. Please provide purchase paperwork for adding vehicles and bill of sale for deleting vehicles. Manufacturer's inventory reports can be updated on this tab. On the Inventory tab, select the type of property that you want to add. Inventory, livestock, or airplane. For inventory, you'll be able to import new inventory using Excel, just as you did with the furniture, fixtures, and the equipment. Be sure to keep manufacturing supplies that would be entered under MIR separate from office supplies that would be entered under inventory. To see your account details, including mailing address and email address, click on Account. Click on Property to view your online assessment and see your status. For questions about how to assess your property, adding additional properties, how to change your business information, or how to obtain a new PIN access code, see the Help menu. For answers to other questions, click on FAQ or contact our office at 479-271-1087 during normal business hours of 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Or contact Philip Wade via email at philip.wade@bentoncountyar.gov.